Now second example. H2 plus N2 will give NH3. This is your LHS and this is your RHS. Now write the elements. Whatever elements are present in LHS, hydrogen and nitrogen, hydrogen and nitrogen. In the same way, this side also hydrogen and nitrogen. Now count the number of atoms of hydrogen. This side 2, nitrogen also 2. This side hydrogen is 3 and nitrogen is 1. Now you know that this side nitrogen is 2, this side nitrogen is 1. If means it should be 2 here also. If I will put 2 here, now you can see that nitrogen is 2, but hydrogen is also changed. Nitrogen is 2. Hydrogen, how it is changed? You know that this is 3. Hydrogen 3 into 2 means, it means that whatever number you are putting in front of the compound, it means that whatever elements are there, here 2 elements are there, nitrogen and hydrogen. It means that this 2 is for nitrogen also and this 2 is for hydrogen also. But here you see that hydrogen is 3, means 3 into 2, that is 6. Now you can see that nitrogen is balanced, but hydrogen is unbalanced. Here hydrogen is 6, while in this side hydrogen is 2. So how I will balance it? Here also it should be 6. If I will put 4 here, what will happen? It will 8. It is wrong. But if I will put 3 here, it is 6. 3 into 2, 6. Now you can see that hydrogen in both the sides 6, nitrogen atom in both the side is 2. So this is your balanced equation.